Yo, what's up guys? This is InFocus Photography, here back with a great video. First of all, thank each and every single one of you for coming. I'm very excited to be talking about my business today. I'll be launching my website as well, and I will be giving you guys some quick backstory on how I became a business owner and some of the great experiences in my life that I think really helped develop me and get me to this point of making this video. So before we get into all this great stuff, guys, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so that you guys get all those great notifications on my videos, and I hope you all enjoy. So just a little bit about myself before we really dive into my business and get into this video. For those of you who don't know, my name is Matthew, and I'm currently 16 and a jack of all trades, as they say. I'm very busy, like extremely busy with a lot of things. And I'm going to talk about quite a few of those guys today in this video. But first, let me just say, I enjoy everything I do. It's all fun for me. I'm not complaining. I really enjoy it and I have a great time doing it. So that said, let's get into it. Let's talk about myself a little bit. So guys, something that I really enjoy is my volunteer position at Laurel Mountain State Park, North Carolina. What I do is I assist the park ranger and help him with all kinds of things, from digging holes for signs to picking up trash, and I've even led quite a few programs teaching adults and children alike. So I think it's been a really good experience all around. It's taught me a lot of cool facts, and I've also gained a lot of leadership skills, and I've become a lot more comfortable with teaching adults and people older than me a bunch of cool, interesting facts as well, and helping them learn to love the outdoors as much as I do. So I think that's been a great experience all around. Alright guys, so this next one, wait. Fire! But probably the most important thing that I'm doing right now to help my business, other than work on my business, is definitely being an employee at Glory Beans. I'm currently working at a place called Glory Beans. It's in ALBEMARLE, and I am working as a dishwasher there. I have been for like 3 to 4 months. I'm no longer the newest person. In fact, people have joined and left since I've been there, which is crazy because I have not been there that long at all. I've been working part-time there for quite a while. I work 3 days a week. It's not that bad, and I enjoy it. It's really easygoing work. But that has drastically helped me be able to do my business. I'm feeding my business with the money I get from that job, and that's pretty much all going indirectly or directly into my business. So like one of the things that I'm doing is I bought $300 worth of frames. And that was the biggest purchase I've ever made. And get this, those were 50% off. So I would not have been able to do that. There's just no way without this job and making that money to be able to feed into my business account. So that's probably a really big thing that's helped me with my business, and I actually enjoy it. So real quick, guys, I'm going to show off a little bit of my work. I'll shoot you a picture right now. Bang! Alright guys, so that photo right there was an eastern box turtle. I absolutely love eastern box turtles. They're absolutely amazing animals. They're the North Carolina state reptile. Also, box turtles are woodland animals. They do not swim in water. They may drink water, they do not swim in it. Even if they do swim in it, they're not going to live in it the same way snapping turtles do. This animal was found right along the backpacking trail at Laurel Mountain State Park, North Carolina. But when I was trying to take this photo, I literally could not get the guy to come out of his shell. So what I ended up having to do was wait there for 30 to 40 minutes. I was about to give up on this photo completely, and then this man just pops his head out, and he's finally looking at me, so I can just take a photo of him, and we were on our way. It was the perfect photo, and now I'm selling it on my website. Those 30 to 40 minutes I waited actually paid off pretty well, I'd say. So this next photo was taken out of a moving vehicle on my trip to Arizona, and I edited it to look like a painting using contrast and a couple other filters. Guys, it has happened. It has finally come. The moment we've all been waiting for. The moment of the launch of my website. This is what I was doing this broadcast for. This is what you guys came for. It's finally happening. And T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1! Boom! Launch! It has finally happened, guys. So now you guys can go to my website. You can go check it out really easily. There's only a few photos that pop up immediately. Then more will load in just a minute. There we go. There's all my photos. I have like 30, 40 photos on here. I have a bunch of photos. They're all really cheap. And they will be emailed to you in 2 to 3 business days if you were to buy one. You can go to my Instagram from this page. You can click on that. You can check out my Instagram. You can go over to my YouTube from this page. You can read about me. You can go to my YouTube. Oh, where am I? Let's just go back to this. You can do all kinds of great stuff from this page. I will add my TikTok to this page as well, which I currently do not have that much stuff for. I just started the TikTok today. And I'm so happy this has finally happened, guys. I'm so happy, and it's finally happened, guys. It's finally happened. So, guys, make sure to subscribe and drop a like down below, and I will continue on with this video right now. Also, real quick, the links to all my socials, my website, and my Etsy will all be in the description down below. Just wanted to let you guys know right now. It's all going to be in the description down below. You're not going to have to hunt and peck for this stuff. I'm going to leave it all in the description, and you guys can go get it easily. Alright, let's continue on. So these are just some of the locations I will be selling prints and frames at. I'm currently not selling prints or frames on the internet, and that is due to me not wanting to have to worry, wow, that was a mouthful, me not wanting to have to worry about shipping them to people. If I sell them online as digitals, I don't have to worry about shipping them to people, and that will cut out a lot of costs. I will be, in the future, shipping prints and frames to people. Currently, I'm not doing that. If you want to go check out my work and buy one of my frames or my prints, some of my future locations are Glory Beans in ALBEMARLE, North Carolina. Also, it will be at 4 Rivers, ALBEMARLE in North Carolina. Daily Grind in LOCUST, that's a coffee shop. I'm going to have one at the T-shirt bar in SHELBY, North Carolina. And those will all be in the description down below, so don't worry about remembering that. It's all going to be in the description down below. You can go look at that if you would like. And yeah, check that out, guys. So my dream for my business, I feel like every business owner has a dream, or even people that don't have a business have a dream of if they did have a business, what it would be like. My dream, not sure this is actually going to come true, but I'm going to try to make sure I do everything in my power to make sure it comes through. My dream is to sell handmade frames. That's probably not too far off. I'll probably be doing that pretty soon. I'm also going to be selling canvas prints. I might actually put those in my next order. I'm not sure how expensive they are, but these are going to take a long time to get to. Traveling the world taking photos, that's going to be a while. But eventually I want to be traveling the world taking photos from Africa and Europe and all those great places of those crazy, just absolutely amazing terrains. And I may even try to start helping magazines like National Geographic. And I might go out on trips and basically be paid to take photos before I even take the photos, which I think would be great. And those magazines really pay well. I don't mind camping. I think that would work out perfectly for me. Sounds like a great time. That's that's going to be a while too. But that's in the future if I keep it going. I know it is. I'm going to keep working at it, and eventually I'll get there. So this is something I'm working towards right now, and that's making side money on my socials. I already have a plan in motion for that. It's probably not going to take that long, but it should be pretty easy. And real quick guys, this is going to be the last part of my video. I just want to close it out right here and now. But before I do that, I want to give a special recognition to Nicole, who has helped me so much. Nicole has seriously helped me. I'm not going to say her last name in this video because I don't want to give away anyone's last names. But Nicole has helped me so much. She has basically instructed me and given me advice on a bunch of different stuff. She's the one that actually set up this video, and she's the one that gave me this great idea of doing this video. Second of all, I want to thank my mom for putting countless hours into helping me with this business and to pushing me. I want to help my dad for also putting countless hours into dealing with the most annoying app I have ever seen in my life, which is PayPal. I'm not sure how he managed to deal with that. I probably would have gave up and quit, but he kept hard at work and he got that done. So I'm really thankful to my dad, and I'm also thankful to Paula for getting this whole thing started and just giving me that push I needed to start this business, and for recognizing talent when she saw it. So big thanks to all those people, and I hope you all enjoyed this video. Make sure to drop a like if you like this video, subscribe, and click that notification bell so you get all those great notifications on the rest of my videos. And I will see you all next time. Bye guys, peace out.